Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In today's video we'll start learning about another two awesome networking commands used in the command prompt. The first one is ipconfig. Now the ipconfig gives you information about your networking setup. For example, you will see here my IP address, my version 6 IP address and version 4 IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway, which is my home router IP address. Now, the other one is netstat, which stands for network statistics, and it will tell you about the connections to your PC, what they are. So you have these established, closed, and other stuff. For example, OBS project. It's in the state close and wait. The OBS, which is the software I am using for recording these videos. Now, we have other services that are running and what port they are running and their state. Now the other one is netstat-e, and this gives you statistics about your network connection. So you will see how many packets sent, how many received, if there are any errors or maybe unknown protocols that are being connected to your device. So there's none. And this is one of the ways that you might use once you get or gain some experience with it to determine maybe if there's a virus in your computer or Trojan or whatever. So very useful to know, very useful to learn. And on that note, I will end this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.